Cut it out, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, cut it out. This phrase can be a bit confusing for non-native speakers, so let's break it down and understand its different uses and meanings. Stay tuned to master this phrase. The phrase, cut it out, literally means to remove something by cutting. For example, if you're cutting a shape out of paper, someone might say, "Can you cut this star out of the paper?" This usage is straightforward and involves actual cutting, but there's more to this phrase than just its literal meaning. More commonly, cut it out is used figuratively. It's an informal way of telling someone to stop doing something that is annoying or inappropriate. For example, if someone is making a joke that you don't find funny, you might say, "Cut it out, that's not funny." This usage is very common in everyday conversation. The tone and context when someone says, "Cut it out," can greatly change its meaning. If said in a playful tone, it can be a light-hearted request to stop teasing. However, if said sternly, it can be a serious demand to stop a bothersome action. Understanding the tone and context is key to interpreting the phrase correctly. Let's look at some examples. 1. Playful, "Hey, cut it out. You're tickling me." 2. Annoyed, "Cut it out. I'm trying to concentrate here." 3. Serious, "This behavior is unacceptable. Cut it out right now." These examples show how versatile and context-dependent the phrase can be. And that's a wrap on Cut It Out. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Remember, it's all about the context and tone. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.